So for this look today, ooh, what now with this lint in my nose? So this is the look that I came up with today. I used the Juvia'S Saharan #2 palette. And if you guys are interested in this look, just keep on watching. So I already primed my eyes with concealer, and I used the Makeup Revolution C12 and C13 mixed together to clean the bottoms of my brows, and I also applied that on my lid. And actually prior to that, I used my NYX Proof It. I don't know if you can, yeah, I used my NYX Proof It on my lid, and then I went ahead and used the concealer on my eyes. And before I apply any more eyeshadow, I'm just going to lightly dab just in case I have any creasing before I start off with the look. The first brush I'm going to use is the Sephora #10 crease brush, and I like to use this brush to apply my transition shade. It's fluffy and it's so when I don't set my concealer on the eye, I first like to go in with a patting motion. So I'm just going to dab the shadow into my crease a little above it. I'm just going to dab. And then once I have a little bit of pigment on there, then I will lightly go in with the brush. I really wish Juvia'S palettes came with a mirror. So I'm just going to lightly blend in circular and windshield wiper motions. And with this next brush, I'm going to use a e.l.f. This is an e.l.f. crease brush as well. This is a crease brush, and I love this brush because it's really small and it gets right into, you know, that crease. Unlike the Sephora 10 brush. So I'm going to pack on that shade, dab off a little excess, and I'm just going to place this on kind of on top of Morocco. And you see how it easily gets into that crease. And I'm also going to blend this shade into the outer corner of my eye. And I'm blending that into Morocco. So this is just a lot of back and forth. I'm going to go back in with Morocco and blend out the Jezebel shade so I don't get any harsh lines. And this brush is a tapered blending brush from Jessup. And I think I got these on eBay for like $11. It came with like 12 brushes, I think, or $6. Really good deal. So I'm going to blend this up, and I just went in with the wrong shade. So I'm going to blend this into the outer corner as well, kind of overlapping the shade. Going back in with Jezebel. And I'm blending kind of upwards because I'm going to apply the next shade kind of into my crease. I'm not going to do a cut crease. I'm just going to apply the blue shade. go back and forth because you want to blend out. And like I said, I'm just going to apply this onto my lid and kind of bring it up some. Kind of sweep it to the outer corner, but not necessarily all the way. I don't have any more of my e.l.f. mixing set, so I'm just going to take my Mario, it's the rose water. I applied some product on there and I wet the brush. Next, I'm going to go into a different eyeshadow, and I'm going to take the Makeup Geek Corrupt. It's like one of the blackest eyeshadows I think on the market. I'm going to take Corrupt and I'm going to place that into my crease and also bring it down to my lower lash line, my outer lower lash line. And this is just like a brush I got from Walmart like years ago. It's a double-ended brush, a really good brush, and it lasted me a long time. And I'm also going to add this into the crease just a little bit. I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush. This one is the Morphe, I can't see it because the name rubbed off, but I'm sure it's a MB something. It's one of their MB series brushes. And I'm just going to bring that and kind of like I'm doing liner because I haven't been really like into liner lately. So this is the brush I used with that brown, no extra product on it, but I'm just blending. And this is going to be my brow bone highlight. And I always put my brow bone highlight at the highest point of my brow and blend down. I don't take it all the way over here. And sometimes I'll take it at the end with no extra product on that brush with Morocco. Or if you need extra product, this one probably need extra product. I'm just going to blend out. I'm not going to put any primer under my eye. I'm going to go back in with the black. Face is done, kind of. I'm tapping off the excess and bringing in that black. I'm going to take Jezebel. Here come Waterworks. I'm going to apply that over the black. I'm going to use this shade in my inner corner. So I went ahead and wet it. I'm going to use one of my Rollerball Illuminators from her Cosmetics. For my lips, I'm going to use Violet and Beauty Marked. So as you can see, these shades really give you time to like actually work with the liquid lipstick. This is, yeah. So I'm going to apply Violet in the center.